Welcome to Programmer's Adventures. I'm Ryan, a student passionate about technology and programming, and I love sharing my knowledge and experiences with you. On this channel, we'll dive together into the world of programming and technology, including artificial intelligence, through content focused on how to become a professional programmer, common mistakes you might encounter in programming, and how to solve programming problems. On this channel, you can expect how to become a professional programmer, tips and guidance to develop your skills and reach a professional level. Common programming mistakes, reviewing mistakes you might encounter and how to avoid them. Solving programming problems, providing solutions to common programming issues and tips to improve performance. New technologies, reviewing the latest technologies and tools in the world of programming and technology. Interviews with programmers, conducting interviews with professional programmers to share their experiences and tips. Success stories, sharing success stories in the field of programming and technology to inspire you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated with all the new content. Let me know in the comments what topics you would like to see in future videos. Join me on this exciting journey as we uncover the secrets of programming, face its challenges together, and learn how to use artificial intelligence in our daily lives. Let's start our programming adventure.